If you could turn any sales page into a complete product review, a full affiliate kit, and even launch your own software business in minutes without writing a single word, would you try it? Because that's exactly what this new tool does. And today, I'm going to show you how it works, what you get, and why this might be the fastest shortcut to owning a real digital product online. Here's the straight truth. 1C Review Builder Software Business Package is one of the most practical PLR software offers released this year. It creates reviews instantly, builds complete promo assets, and even lets you rebrand the software and sell it as your own. No coding, no tech, no writing. If you've wanted a shortcut into digital product ownership, this is about as plug-and-play as it gets. 1C Review Builder Software Business Package is a rebrandable Chrome extension plus a full business in a box. The extension turns any product sales page into a complete AI-generated review. It also gives you short descriptions, bullet benefits, email swipes, social captions, headlines, hashtags, and even a final verdict. But the real power is the PLR license. You can use the software yourself for your affiliate promotions, or you can rebrand it, put your own name on it, add your own logo, change the graphics, and sell it as your own software product. You keep 100% of the profit. This is perfect for beginners, affiliates, side hustlers, digital marketers, coaches, bloggers, YouTubers, and anyone who wants a ready-made software product without development costs or months of work. Let me show you how it works. Once you install the Chrome extension, you simply visit any sales page of a product you want to promote. Click the extension icon, choose your tone of voice, then hit Generate. In seconds, the extension scans the page and produces a complete structured review. It includes an overview, who it's for, pros and cons, a final verdict, and a suggested rating. Below that, you get a full promo kit. Your short pitch description, bullets, ad headlines, Facebook captions, tweets, emails, hashtags, and compliance notes. Everything is organized and ready to copy and paste into your content or promotions. Now the second part, rebranding. Inside the members area, you get a step-by-step video showing you how to rename the software, change the branding, update the pages, and prepare your own sales links. You don't need coding, you don't need design skills, just follow the highlighted fields, update the name, add your payment link, and your software business is live. The package also includes the sales page, landing page, thank you page, graphics, PSDs, and customer training videos. Everything is already built and ready to deploy.
What if you could turn any product page into a fully structured, persuasive product review, complete with an affiliate kit in under 60 seconds? No writing, no research, no formatting, no waiting. Just visit a sales page, click one button, and boom, a complete review appears like magic. Structured overview, pros and cons, who it's for, suggested rating, final verdict, plus a full affiliate kit consisting of emails, bullet points, captions, hashtags, and more. That's what 1C Review Builder does. It's a smart Chrome extension built for busy marketers who want to promote more products, but don't have hours to waste writing reviews or creating promo content from scratch. Whether you're an affiliate, content creator, coach, blogger, or beginner, this extension makes it one-click simple to create polished, persuasive promos. But here's where it gets even better. You're not just getting access to the tool, you're getting the entire business. This isn't just software you use, it's software you own. You can sell it as your own product, you can rebrand it in minutes, you can give it away, bundle it, or add it to a funnel. This is a rebrandable software business package fully built and ready to go. You get the software, Chrome extension, sales page, landing page, and thank you page copy. You get all the graphics and banners, instruction videos for you and your customers, editable source files, and full PLR rights to make it your own. Just rebrand, upload, and start selling. No coding, no design, no product creation, just a plug and play shortcut into the world of software profits. And because this is a tool marketers actually need, you're not just selling another shiny object, you're offering real value with real earning potential. Use it yourself to create effortless affiliate promos, or flip it into a branded product and keep 100% of the profits. It's perfect for Digital marketers, affiliates, coaches, side hustlers, beginners, or anyone tired of not having something of their own to sell. So if you've ever wished you had your own product, if you've been stuck waiting for the right time to start selling software, or if you just want something that works without the usual barriers, 1C Review Builder is the answer. Scroll down now to see everything that's included and claim your software business in a box before this special offer disappears. Because you could be making your first sale before today is over.
Here's a quick breakdown of the funnel so you know what to expect. Front end, the software PLR package for $27. This includes the rebrandable Chrome extension, sales pages, graphics, and full business assets. Order Bump, a video sales letter kit for $13. This gives you a ready-made VSL to boost conversions. Upgrade 1, the Use It Kit full version at $37. Includes additional tools and content packs to enhance your own usage. Downsale at $27. Upgrade 2, the Custom Bonus Kit full version for $67. Provides done-for-you bonus assets you can attach to promotions. Downsale at $37. Upgrade 3, Agency License full version at $147. This lets you sell the software as a service to clients. Downsale at $77. Upgrade 4, the White Label Kit for $497. This gives full white label rights, complete rebranding, and deeper customization. Upgrade 5, MDA Traffic for $9. Upgrade 6, Blocks for $23. Upgrade 7, Copy Catalyst for $23. Upgrade 8, Pitch Doc for $17. All upgrades are optional. The front end gives you everything needed to use and sell the software. When you get 1C Review Builder Software Business Package through the link below, you also unlock my exclusive bonus vault. Here are just 10 of the premium bonuses included. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create eye-catching slideshows with social sharing and YouTube integration. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Increase your website speed instantly and reduce bounce rate. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads directly to your autoresponder. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add high-converting countdown timers inside emails and on your websites. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Improve neglected parts of your campaigns to boost conversions. Bonus 6, Action Poll. Segment your email subscribers automatically for higher engagement. Bonus 7, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for targeted SEO traffic. Bonus 8, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Build your list faster with an attractive and flexible opt-in bar. Bonus 9, Website Pouch Pro. Hide or reveal content on your site with one click for creative marketing. Bonus 10, 100 ready-made niche blocks. Instantly launch blocks that attract free traffic and backlinks. And that is just a small sample. You will get access to the full premium bonus vault loaded with tools for traffic, SEO, video marketing, social media growth, affiliate marketing, WordPress plugins, and more. The bonus package alone is worth more than the cost of the software. These bonuses are available only through the link below, and they will be removed after the first 25 buyers or after 48 hours, whichever comes first. Here is my final verdict. If you want a fast way to create high-quality product reviews, if you want to promote more offers with less effort, or if you want your own software product to sell without development costs, 1C Review Builder Software Business Package is a smart investment. The ability to rebrand and sell your own software is rare at this price, and the done-for-you sales materials save weeks of work. This is a limited-time offer. Once the launch ends, the price increases and the bonus vault will close. Click the link below, grab your copy, and lock in your exclusive bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more software reviews, and leave any questions in the comments. After purchasing through the link below, your bonuses will be delivered automatically inside your Warrior Plus account under the button that says Access Affiliate Bonus. Click the link below now to secure your